We finally made something you have all been asking for. Welcome to Video Library for Premiere Pro. Now, all your favorite scenes and presets are fully optimized for Premiere Pro. You don't need After Effects anymore. Forget about keyframes and other routine work. Just start creating in Premiere Pro. It's very easy. Just open any category, add preset in one click and enjoy the result. There are several categories for different cases. Create cool business presentation to promote your business. Or impress your friends with a stylish slideshow about your trip or vacation. If you live an active lifestyle, use Sport category. Create any design you want by mixing any of those presets together. And our support center will help you with any questions. Also, you will get free updates every month. Video Library for Premiere Pro. A new way to create.